Okay, wall number 1 is ready to stand up. We got some more wood in the truck we gotta unload. Put the plywood on first before we stand up the wall. So far we are over budget, but that's because the price of wood is so darn expensive. Guess we gotta cut that out because that's where the window goes. Coming along.
That big
now,
of a.
Now make the wall.
No air guns here.
Permission either.